Hey guys, this is a video in my Casio Scientific Calculator tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to adjust the brightness or contrast on your Casio Scientific Calculator. The model I have here is a Casio Fx-300MS. The steps, however, should be same on similar model calculators. So without further ado, let's get to it. Press the mode button a few times until this screen comes up, and then press number 2 on the number pad to select contrast. So press 2, and then this screen comes where you have light on the left side with an arrow pointing to the left and dark on the right side with an arrow pointing to the right. So if you want to darken your screen, press the right arrow. You can either press multiple times or you can press and hold, and you can see that the screen gets visibly darker. And if you want to lighten up your screen, just press and hold, or you can press multiple times the left arrow, and you can see that the screen gets much lighter. And once you've set the contrast to your liking, you can just press all clear to exit out of the mode, and then you're set to go. It's probably important to keep in mind that battery condition, room lighting, and viewing angle may affect the sharpness of your display, and you may want to adjust the contrast accordingly. I hope this video helps in some way. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Check out other videos on my channel, especially the graphing and scientific calculator tutorial series. Until next time, take care guys.